family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, 5 off of 25 Saturday. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General, which I did find one a little closer to my home. They do have stock. I'm not saying a lot of stock, but they do have stock, and they do have employees, okay, that I've kind of seen. All right. So first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay. So went into Dollar General trying to see what I can bring to you all, which some of the stuff, you know, it's good. It's good. So the first thing that I got was these 5 lays. Yes, I went ahead and I had another coupon, which this is on my number, okay? The other one was on my daughter's that I had posted some days ago. But these right here, these are 2 for $1. We have a $3 off of 5. It's actually got for these lays, but these are the only lays that I'm showing that was in the store that it actually attached to, which these are 2 for $1. So I went ahead and bought 6 of them because it's 3, so that made it free. Okay, so you know, like 2 for $1, but if you get them by themselves, it's 59 cents each. So why not get 6 of them and make the whole thing free? But all I had to do was get 5, but I would have had to pay 59 cents for one. So I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get it to where it'll be free for $3 coming up. So the next thing, I got me some more Lysol. Y'all know I told you I have to stock up on me some more Lysol. So I got the Lysol. The Lysol are $2.25, and there is a 50 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. All of this, y'all, is digital coupons, okay? All are digital. The next thing is the Tide Oxy. Got me some more Tide because I needed me some more liquid. It's $4.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this one, and this is the 37 ounce. Okay, the next thing, I got some more Oral-B toothbrushes, the 2 times value pack. They are $3, and I got it in soft, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Playtex Sport. The Playtex Sport, because I know they went up in price. Let me find it for you. $4. They are on sale actually. I think they're a little higher than 4, but there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Only thing I can find is regular. I can't find super, but that's all right. The next thing is the Chic Classic razors, okay? These Chic Classic razors, you can get either the men or the women. Now, I thought I had 2 coupons on there, but I believe they must have took the other coupon off, because when I scanned it, it was there's only 1 coupon that is attaching, and the Chic is $4. Yeah, it is $4, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. All right. The next thing is the Febreze Air. They are the Febreze Air. They are $3 each, and there is let's see, a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that did attach. I did have the $1 clipped also, but since I got 2, I was so happy that the $3 came off instead of the 1. I was really looking at that. I was like, oh, please don't let the 1. But I think it's when you clip the first one, you know, clip one of them first, that one will come off other than the second one. I think that's how it goes, but I'm not for sure. Don't quote me on that. But the $3 did come off, and I'll show you on my receipt, okay? But then the last thing, this Nivea Radiance 48-hour body lotion. The Nivea is $3.65, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, so y'all know some of these prices in our Dollar General did go up. Okay, so it seemed like the prices are going up, and they're lowering the I'm sorry, y'all. Somebody next door is blowing. If y'all hear anybody blowing or talking, that's next door, okay? I do apologize in advance. Like I said, the prices are going up. The coupon, the price, the number of how much they're giving us off is starting to go down. Y'all starting to see that. So it looks like, you know, when somebody's trying to do a $5 challenge, it looked like it's going to be mainly a $10 challenge to me, you know, close to $10. Some people can get, you know, $5 challenges, but it all depends on your coupons and stuff. But y'all, this right here, let's see. My subtotal was $10 and I think it was 35 cents. Yes, $10.35 for everything. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. All right, you see the Tide, the Febreze. You see there's the $3 for the Febreze. Then you got the Nivea, you got the Lysol, you got the Oral-B, you got the Chic, and you got the Playtex. And then there's the Lay's. And then there's that $3 digital did come off. There's all the Lay's. Then my subtotal was $10.35. And look at my total savings, $20.50. Yes. And then got a 5 off of 25 for next week. All right. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.